আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আমি ডাক্তার সাদিকুল ইসলাম তালুকদার। আপনাদের নিয়ে এসেছি কমিউনিটি বেসড মেডিকেল কলেজ বাংলাদেশ উইনার পার ময়মনসিংহের নবাগত ছাত্রদের নবাগত শিক্ষার্থীদের ওরিয়েন্টেশন প্রোগ্রামে 2024 সন। তো এটা হচ্ছে মেডিকেল কলেজের লাউঞ্জ। প্রতিষ্ঠাতা AIM মোবাক্খরুল ইসলাম স্যারের ছবি দেখা যাচ্ছে এখানে টাঙ্গানো। তো এখানে রিসেপশন কাউন্টার, নতুনদেরকে ফুলের শুভেচ্ছা জানিয়ে বরণ করে নেওয়া হচ্ছে CV30 ব্যাচের। তো আমি এই হলে প্রবেশ করব, 1 নম্বর গ্যালারিতে অনুষ্ঠান হচ্ছে। তো তার আগে সামনে যে যারা প্রবেশ করতেছে এখানে নাম এন্ট্রি করে রেজিস্ট্রেশন করে যারা যারা এসেছে তাদের সাথে অভিভাবক এসেছে, বাবা মা অথবা গার্জিয়ান, নাম এন্ট্রি করে প্রবেশ করছে এখান থেকে।
Professor Dr. Mohammad Murshid Alam Sir for welcome speech and introduction of the teachers of CBSE. Sir.
Honorable Chairperson of today's orientation ceremony of CV30, Honorable Chief Guest, Special Guest, and in front of me, my dear junior senior colleagues, and for those the students of CV30 and their respected guardians. Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I thank all the students of CV30 and their respected guardians to choose this community-based medical college, Bangladesh. This community-based medical college, not only we think one of the best private medical college in our country. So, dear students, you have to stay here for academic activities 5 years and internship training for 1 year, 6 years. আমি টিচারদের নাম বলবো ডিপার্টমেন্ট ওয়াইজ, আপনারা সবাই যারা উপস্থিত আছেন একটু দাঁড়াবেন। First of all, Department of Anatomy, Professor Dr. Zubaida Gulshan Alam, Professor and Head of the Department. Dr. Anjuman Alam, Associate Professor. Dr. Mohammad Shamsul Rahman, Associate Professor. Dr. Dilruba Abdul Mili, Assistant Professor. Dr. Omar Sahan, Lecturer. Dr. Issa Sultana Jinia, Lecturer. Dr. Umar Jannat, Lecturer. Dr. Sabrina Mokhtar, Lecturer. Dr. Miswat Siddiqui Moore, Lecturer. Dr. Sumaya Yasmin Ibu, Lecturer. Dr. Samiur Rashid, Lecturer. Dr. Rubina Akarudi, Lecturer. Dr. Wasika Wahab Rafa, Lecturer. Physiology Department, Professor Dr. Shahnaz Pandit, Professor and Head of the Department, as well as Hostel Super, female. Professor Dr. Mahmood Rahman Khan Chaudhary, our honorable principal, Professor of Legal. Professor Dr. Mahis Binti Ansari, Professor Dr. William Nazdin, Assistant Professor, Dr. Maria Hussain, Assistant Professor, Dr. Farhana Nazdin, Lecturer, Dr. Sabrina Lomumu, Lecturer, Dr. Tabassum Firdaus Pia, Lecturer, Dr. Kanzi Fairo Samita, Lecturer. Biochemistry Department, Professor Dr. S.M. Suhidullah, Professor and Head, Professor Dr. Dina Sen, Dr. Murul Pal, Associate Professor, Dr. Kamalana Nisa, Associate Professor, Dr. Sanur Fardana, Assistant Professor, Dr. Naim Sultana Sani, Lecturer, Dr. Sushmita Das, Lecturer, Dr. Kamalide Yasmin, Lecturer. এবং স্টুডেন্টস অফ 330 তোমাদের এই প্রথম তিনটা ডিপার্টমেন্টের সাথে প্রথম দিন থেকে ক্লাস শুরু হবে, ফিজিওলজি, বায়োকেমিস্ট্রি এবং অ্যানাটমি। ফার্মাকোলজি ডিপার্টমেন্ট, প্রফেসর ডক্টর সামিন নারা বেগম, প্রফেসর এন্ড হেড, ডক্টর রাফিক আফরোজ, অ্যাসোসিয়েট প্রফেসর, ডক্টর শামিমা সাত্তার, অ্যাসোসিয়েট প্রফেসর, Dr. Jannatul Firdaus, Assistant Professor, Dr. Abdullah Al-Imran, Lecturer, Dr. Masrufa Akhtar, Lecturer, Dr. Monisha Paul, Tumpa, Lecturer, Dr. Renessa Haji Noon, Lecturer, Dr. Sultana Razia, Lecturer, Dr. Taslima Sultana Dima, Lecturer. Forensic Medicine Department, Dr. Mohammad Nurul Amin, Associate Professor and Head, Dr. Lutfur Nahar, Assistant Professor, Dr. M. Sadiqul Islam, Lecturer, Dr. Abdullah Nishad Jarka, Lecturer, Dr. Mehrul Nisa, Lecturer. Pathology Department, Professor Dr. Nazma Parveen Ansari, Professor and Head, Dr. Shahnaz Jahan, Associate Professor, Dr. Fadilatul Nisa, Associate Professor, Dr. Amliya Begum, Associate Professor, Dr. Aziz Rahman, Lecturer, Dr. Wali Jannat Swarna, Lecturer, Dr. Masumatul Noor, Lecturer, Dr. Sharaf Tabassum Mummi, Lecturer. Supernumerary teacher হিসাবে আমাদের এখানে আছেন প্রফেসর ডক্টর মির্জা হামিদুল হক, এক্স প্রিন্সিপাল, কমিউনিটি বেসড মেডিকেল কলেজ। Microbiology Department, Professor এবং Head of the Department হিসাবে আমি আছি প্রফেসর ডক্টর মোহাম্মদ মুর্শিদ আলম, প্রফেসর ডক্টর জোহরা বেগম, ডক্টর মোহাম্মদ রাশিদুল কবির, Associate Professor, ডক্টর মোহাম্মদ মাহমুদুর রহমান, Associate Professor, ডক্টর ফারজানা ইয়াসমিন, Lecturer, ডক্টর মোহাম্মদ রিজওয়ান ইরফান, Lecturer, Dr. Ruksana Afrin Rima, Lecturer. Community Medicine Department, Professor Dr. Mohammad Asaduজ্জামান, Professor and Head, Professor Dr. Mohammad Yunus Ali, Dr. H.M. Hassan, Associate Professor, Dr. Fakir Samiul Alam, Associate Professor, Dr. Maksuda Begum, Associate Professor, Dr. Sultana Sargam Dipu, Associate Professor. Medicine Department, Professor Dr. Mohammad Aminul Islam, Professor and Head, Dr. Mohammad Abdul Wali, Associate Professor, Dr. Sultan Ahmed, Associate Professor, Dr. Amina Khatun, Registrar, Dr. Roisul Mahmud Hamidin, Registrar Jamati. Nephrology Department, Dr. Mohammad Javed Hassan, Associate Professor and Head, Dr. Nitai Chandra Rai, Assistant Professor. Psychology Department, Dr. Ashraful Siddiqui Pahan, Associate Professor. Pediatrics Department, Professor Dr. S.M. Ruhul Quddus, Professor and Head. Dr. Mohammad Kamruzzaman, Associate Professor. Dr. Badruzzaman, Assistant Professor. Dr. Sadia Padrini Liza, Assistant Professor. Dr. Imon Iva, Register. Dr. Shaya Saada, Register. এখানে সুপার নিউমারি টিচার হিসেবে আছেন প্রফেসর ডাক্তার মির্জা মাহমুদুল হক, প্রফেসর অফ স্ট্যাটিস্টিক্স এন্ড প্রিন্সিপাল কমিউনিটি বেসড মেডিকেল কলেজ। Dermatology and Venereology Department, Dr. Naida Islam, Associate Professor and Head. Dr. Mohammad Sohidul Islam, Associate Professor. Dr. Susti Sardar, Assistant Professor. Dr. Sadia Rubana Nila, Register. Cardiology Department, Dr. Tufailuddin Ahmed, Associate Professor and Head. Dr. Antarul Haq, Associate Professor. Dr. Parvez Rahman Khan, Assistant. Surgery Department, Professor Dr. Tawfiqul Haq, Professor and Head. সার্জারি আজকে ফাইনাল পরীক্ষা চলতেছে, উনি পরীক্ষাতে আছেন। ডাক্তার সত্যম কুমার বিশ্বাস, অ্যাসোসিয়েট প্রফেসর। ডাক্তার খায়রুল ইসলাম আরএস। ডাক্তার তুষার কান্তি, রেজিস্টার। ডাক্তার কামরুন্না শিল্পী, রেজিস্টার। ডাক্তার মনিকা পারভিন, রেজিস্টার। পেডিয়াট্রিক সার্জারি প্রফেসর এসএম ডাক্তার লোকমান হোসেন চৌধুরী, প্রফেসর ইন পেডিয়াট্রিক সার্জারি। Orthopedics, Professor Dr. Mohammad Nasiruddin, Professor and Head. Dr. Mohammad Saiful Islam, Associate Professor. Dr. Mohammad Mamunur Rashid Chaudhary, Associate Professor. Dr. Sabir Hassan, Register. Ophthalmology, Professor Dr. Mohammad Aminul Haq Anand, Professor and Head. Dr. Rana Kara Amin Ruli, Assistant Professor. Dr. Anjumana Shipi, Junior Consultant. ENT Department, Professor Dr. Mohammad Manzurul Karim Khan, Professor and Head. Dr. Binoy Krishna বিশ্বাস, Associate Professor. Dr. Bharani Sinha, Register. Anesthesiology, Dr. Mohammad Abul Kalam Azad Khan, Associate Professor and Head. Dr. Mohammad Masood Hasan, Associate Professor. Dr. Rajiv Hasan, Associate Professor. Obstetrics and Gynae Department, Professor Dr. Sheila Sen, Professor and Head. Professor Dr. Taiba Tanzim Mirza, Professor. Dr. Ibrahim Boshi, Associate Professor. Dr. Akhtar Jahan, Associate Professor. Dr. Ferdowsi Begum, Associate Professor. Dr. Mohsina Siddiqui, Associate Professor. Dr. Faizal Sabun Siddiqui, RS. Dr. Kamrun Nahar, Register. Dr. Batia Akanda, Register. এখানে সুপার নিউমারি টিচার হিসেবে আছেন আমাদের প্রফেসর ডক্টর জি নাজমুল নূর। Radiology and Imaging Department, Professor Dr. Masoodur Rahman, Professor and Head. Dr. Mehza bin Islam, Associate Professor. Dr. Nitai Kumar Sharma, Associate Professor. Dr. Muqtadira, Assistant Professor. Dr. Mir Naz Farzana, Assistant Professor. এখানে সুপার নিউমারি টিচার হিসেবে আছেন প্রফেসর ডক্টর শঙ্কর নারায়ণ দে। ট্রান্সফিউশন মেডিসিন, Dr. Nilufar Begum, Consultant হিসেবে আছেন Dr. Fatma Mujib, Assistant Professor. ICU, Dr. Libon Kanti Dhoni, Assistant Professor. এখানে পার্ট টাইম টিচার হিসেবে আছেন ডক্টর শেখ মোহাম্মদ আব্দুল মান্নান, our honorable and President, Community Health Foundation. Dental Department, MBBS এর পাশাপাশি আমাদের এখানে একটা ডেন্টাল ইউনিট আছে। প্রতি বছরই এখানে 30 জন ছাত্র ভর্তি হয় বিডিএস এ। তো সেখানে আমাদের অনেক টিচার আছেন। So Dr. Khaled Mohammad Islam, Associate Professor and Head, Dr. Mohammad Ruhul Amin, Associate Professor, Dr. Mohammad Mokhlisur Rahman, Assistant Professor, Dr. Farjana Anar, Assistant Professor, Dr. Sultana Razia Khanam, Assistant Professor, Dr. Khaleda Akhtar, Lecturer cum Medical Officer, Dr. Maulana Hussain Sawan, Lecturer cum Medical Officer, Dr. Tasmin Jahan, Lecturer cum Medical Officer, Dr. Shirin Agha, Lecturer cum Medical Officer, Dr. Baizun Nahan, Lecturer cum Medical Officer, Dr. Nayazuddin Khan Bonni, Lecturer cum Medical Officer. এখানে সুপারনিমারি টিচার হিসেবে আছেন প্রফেসর ডক্টর মোহাম্মদ হারুনুর রশিদ, গেস্ট টিচার ডেন্টালে ডক্টর মোহাম্মদ মনোয়ারুল ইসলাম খান ভঙ্গস কান্তি দেবনাথ, ওনারা মানসিক মেডিকেল কলেজের টিচার, পার্ট টাইম আমাদের এখানে ক্লাস নেন বিডিএস এ। এছাড়া ফিজিওথেরাপিতে আমাদের একজন জুনিয়র কনসালটেন্ট আছেন মোহাম্মদ বেলায়েত হোসেন আকন্দ। এই হচ্ছে আমাদের এজ এ হোল টিচার্স লিস্ট। আবারও সিবি 30 ব্যাচের অল স্টুডেন্টস এন্ড গার্ডিয়ানস কে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ জানিয়ে আমি আমার বক্তব্য শেষ করছি। ধন্যবাদ।
Thank you, sir, for your valuable speech and introductions of our honorable teachers of Community-Based Medical College, Bangladesh. Now it's my privilege to welcome Professor Dr. A. Karim Khan, sir, Director, Community-Based Medical College Hospital, Bangladesh. I request sir to come for introductions of the founder members of the Community Health Foundation, Bangladesh, and members of the governing body of Community-Based Medical College, Bangladesh. Sir.
Assalamu alaikum and very good morning. Respected chairperson of today's orientation program, our principal, the special guest, Professor Sheikh Abdul Mannan, the Executive President of Community Health Foundations, and other special guests. In front of me, distinguished learned teachers and my dear students and their guardians of CB30. Welcoming you all in our today's orientation program. Today is not only an important day for the newcomers, but it is also an important day for all of us. This is a memorable day for you, the newcomers and their guardians. You have come here with hope and with a desire to be future doctor. I wish you all that in near future you will able to learn all these subjects very nicely and you will be a good doctor. Every year, what I will say to the newcomers that to be a good doctor, you must be a good human being. If I go on saying something about the foundation, it has been established in 1994, and subsequently this foundation has developed this college under the leadership of Professor A.I.M. Mofakharul Islam. Professor A.I.M. Mofakharul Islam not only dreamed the dream of this institution, he has established this institution along with other 30 members. So hats of salute to him as he has given the direction, leadership and everything to develop this institution. So there are two wings. One is academic wing that is run by the governing body, and the other wing is the administrative wing that is run by the foundation. Community Health Foundation, Bangladesh. It has been established in the year 1994, as I mentioned earlier, and there are 30 members. And I'm just pronouncing the name of those members. First of all, Professor Dr. Muhammad Abdul Ghani. Professor Abdul Ghani, he was the principal of this institution. He is the professor of medicine. He was here, and he was also the professor of medicine and head of the department of Mahensi Medical College as well. He is the teacher of teachers. Secondly, Professor Dr. Mirza Hamid. Dr. Muhammad Abdul Rauf. Dr. Muhammad Abdul Rauf is the founder member. He is the ex-chief medical officer of Bangladesh Agricultural University. Dr. Masuda Atika Khatun. Dr. Masuda Atika Khatun, she was working in Dhaka Medical College as lecturer of pathology. Professor Dr. Mahfuzur Rahman Khan Chaudhary, he is the principal of our college and the academic head of this institution. Dr. Muhammad Rashidul Huda, the ex-deputy civil surgeon of Mahensi, he is also a founder member. Mr. Muhammad Lokoruddin Talukdar, he is an honorable executive vice president of our foundation and was constructed under his guidance. Professor Dr. Muhammad Abdul Hakim Shaftar. Professor Abdul Hakim Shaftar is also a founder member, and he is also with us from the very beginning. He was ex-professor of community medicine. Now he is the director of the store of this institute. Professor Dr. Muhammad Mahbubul Koyum Khan and myself working as director of this institution. Professor Dr. Muhammad Sheikh Abdul Mannan is the executive of this institution, and he is leading us for few years to develop these institutions. Dr. Mahfuzul Haq, he was here, he has left. He is the ex-line director of GG Health. Dr. Mominul Haq, he has graduated from Dhaka Medical College. Subsequently, he is the son of then Health Minister Major General Samsul Haq, and he is the son-in-law of our founder president and founder principal Professor A.I.M. Akhtarul Islam. Unfortunately, he couldn't come because of his illness. It would be much greater if he would be here with us. He is also the governing body chairman. Now I am just naming the names of the life members. We started with the 30 members, but in our last 30 years journey, we have lost 30 members, and they have been replaced by their sons and daughters. Najmun Nahar Rahman, she has replaced Professor Ghulam Rahman, the former pathologist. Asnat Parveen, she is a teacher of economics and she has replaced Professor Ismail Hussain, the former surgeon. Dr. Lily Bilkis, she has replaced Professor Mozammel Haq. He was also a teacher and in pharmacology. And Lily Bilkis, madam, also our teacher in physiology. Dr. Khairul Islam, he is the deputy director of our institution, and he is the son of Professor A.I.M. Akhtarul Islam, the founder of this institution. Engineer David M. Khan. That's a correct. What's that? Engineer David M. Khan, Professor, he has replaced Professor Atailahi Khan. Mr. Ali Reza Noor, our administrative officer, he has replaced our Dean Professor Ghaffar Chaudhry, Ghaffar sir. Mrs. Alia Haq, she has replaced Dr. Nurul Haq. He was an OBG specialist. Dr. Rifat Rahman, he is obstetrics and gynecologist specialist working in Dhaka Medical College as assistant professor. He has replaced Saidur Rahman, Professor Saidur Rahman, former vice principal, principal, as well as the founder member. Dr. Fatima Anwara Munia, she is a graduate from this institute. She has replaced Dr. Anwarul Haq, now staying in Canada. Dr. Tawfiqul Haq, Professor Tawfiqul Haq, is the professor and head of the Department of Surgery, and he has replaced Professor Mazharul Haq sir. Qazi Mushahidur Rahman. Qazi Mushahidur Rahman has replaced Professor Siddiqur Rahman sir. He was the former executive president as well as the former professor of medicine and health. Nafisa Nawal Khan Chaudhuri. Nafisa Nawal Khan Chaudhuri has replaced Dr. Akhtar Jahan Sayyara Unnapa. Very recently, she has passed away. She was a pathologist of Islamia High Hospital, Dhaka. Dr. Afruza Rahman, she was lecturer of pharmacology. She has replaced Professor Mafizur Rahman sir, cardiologist and former vice principal of this institution. Ladies and gentlemen, I forgot to mention one of our important and very vital founder member, Professor Dr. Mirza Manzurul Haq. Professor Mirza Manzurul Haq, he is now working as Professor of Pediatrics, and at the same time, he is the treasurer of this foundation for a long time. And he was the principal, vice principal, as well as the principal of this institution. So he has having the capability and quality to give a leadership in the foundations. Ladies and gentlemen, now I am going to name the names of the academic wing, that is the governing body. The governing body is responsible for maintaining the academic atmosphere and looking for the academic achievements. You know, this governing body is being formed by the government and Ministry of Health and Ministry of Medical Education. Ladies and gentlemen, the chairman of the governing body is Dr. Mominul Haq. As I mentioned earlier, he is also the founder member and he is the chairman of the General Pharmaceuticals Company. Secondly, Professor Dr. Mahmood Rahman Khan Chaudhuri is the professor of physiology as well as the principal of this institution and acting as the secretary of the governing body. Professor Dr. Shahriar Nobi, Dean, Faculty of Medicine, Dhaka University. Professor Dr. Abul Mansur Ahmed is the chairman of the Mass Communication, Dhaka University. Professor Dr. Mihir Lal Shah is the professor of Department of Botany, Dhaka University. Professor Dr. Habibur Rahman, chairman, Renal Transplant Unit, BSMMU, Dhaka. Professor Dr. Nazmul Nahar, she is in the Department of Geography and Environment, Dhaka University. Mallika Khatun is the additional secretary, Medical Education, of our DG Health. Dr. Mohammad Jahangir Rashid is the Director of the Finance of DG Health, Medical Education. Dr. Sheikh Mohammad Abdul Mannan, Professor Dr. Sheikh Abdul Mannan is the Executive President as well as the governing body member of this institution. Dr. Mamunur Rashid Chaudhary, Assistant Professor of Orthopedics, and at the same time, he is the elected teacher representative of the governing body. Dr. Muhammad Shahidul Islam, Assistant Professor of Dermatology and Venerology, and at the same time, elected teacher representative of this institution. Dr. Muhammad Habibullah. Dr. Muhammad Habibullah, his son is with us and CD 25, and his daughter also with us. He is the guardian representative of the governing body. And Dr. Muhammad Nurul Lobi, his daughter is also with us, CD 26 and 30 year. So he is also a guardian member of this governing body. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to conclude this with these few words that you are here in a best medical college. So I wish to say that you are the best students of the best medical college. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your nice and informative presentation. Now I would like to request our respected Professor Dr. Mirza Manjurul Haq, sir, Treasurer of Community Health Foundation, former principal of this institution, to give a speech regarding our community-based medical college foundation.
আমার ডিপার্টমেন্টের জরুরি কাজ থাকায় আমাকে একটু আগেই চলে আসতে হয়েছে। সম্পূর্ণ অনুষ্ঠানে আমি অ্যাটেন্ড করতে পারিনি। কাজে আমি এই পর্যন্তই রেকর্ড করেছি। এরপরে অনেকক্ষণ পর্যন্ত অনুষ্ঠান চলেছে, ছাত্রদের পরিচয় হয়েছে, সেগুলি আমি দেখতে পারি নাই। আমার এই ভিডিও এখানে আমি শেষ করব, কারণ আমার ডিপার্টমেন্টে জরুরি কাজ আছে, সেখানে আমাকে চলে যেতে হচ্ছে। এটা এই কলেজের ক্যাম্পাসের ভিতরেই এরকম শপ আছে, অনুমোদিত শপ, সেটা দেখাচ্ছি। এই তো কলেজের যে প্রবেশ পথ, সেটা দেখুন। এটাই হলো এই কমিউনিটি বেসড মেডিকেল কলেজের প্রবেশ পথ।